Good morning, students. In the chapter AOD, after completing the rate measure, now today we start a new topic, which one is increasing and decreasing function. So now here in this chapter is actually very important. So here actually what we have to do, mainly we have to find out the interval here. So now for this interval, if you see here, suppose if we consider an example, fx equal to x square. Suppose fx equal to x square, we consider an example. Now here easily we can find out the graph from here. Is it a function dia ase fx equal to x square, here easily ami graph to draw koribo parim. So now let's see if here, if you consider the positive value as well as the negative value, ami jodi positive value ba negative value jodi ami yat jodi consider koru, kenekoa hobo graph to sa. So fx equal to x square. So x is what here? A real number. So real number means it may be a positive value, negative value, rational, irrational, whatever we write here, any value we can choose. Here mainly we have to take some round figure here. Suppose if we consider the value of x is greater than 0, consider suppose, or simply you can choose some values here. Suppose x equal to, here it is x and here it is suppose fx. We make it able here, table ta banai lo pela yat jodi ami value kini jodi consider karu, if you choose some values here. So if x equal to 0 suppose, then fx equal to also 0 here. Similarly if we choose x equal to 1, then the fx value is what? 1 square 1. So now here if x equal to, if we consider 2, then fx equal to what here? 4. And if we choose another one value, so now suppose here, suppose 3, then fx equal to what here? We get 9. Isn't it? So in this way we can take these values. So similarly if we choose some negative values here, so if we make another table here, now fx, suppose now let's see here, x, here it is fx. So if x value we consider 0, then it is 0. And if we take some negative value, suppose -1, some -2 and -3. So for 1, the 1 square, so that's why -1 square 1, -2, that means we write here 4, and here we write this one 9. So in this way we can make the table here. So the values are what? When x equal to 0, fx equal to 0, when 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. So in this way we make this two table. So now if you draw the graph here, for these two values, here ami positive value kini consider korilu aru yat kun kini lolo, here ami negative value kini lolo. Eta yat ki korim, ei duita table ore value kini ami separate ke loisu, kintu yar ki hol eta graph eta draw korim. If you draw the graph here, if you draw the graph on the xy plane, so if you draw the graph here on the xy plane, suppose this one, so now x dash, so here it is y, this one is y dash. Now if you draw the graph here, for this you see 0 0, that means origin, that means this point. Second one is 1 1 1 1, simply here we draw, this one is 1 1, then 2 4, suppose here 4, then 3 9, suppose here 9. মই just roughly এটা draw কৰিছো, so he karone directly দিলু. So here jiman khine positive value asile, positive value kini efale gol. Similarly if you consider the negative values here, 0 0, -1 here ahibo, -1 or karone 1, then for -2 it is 4, then for -3 it is 9. So if you see here the graph, if you draw the graph to jodi ami draw koru, so obviously we get the graph like in this way if you join it. Is not it? Etu olop curve hobo, yat olop curve nisina lagana kintu তুমি যদি গ্রাফটো properly draw kora, তেতিয়ালে ইয়াত কি হ'ব? ইয়াত a curve হ'ব. So now in this case if you see, yat so here, after making this graph here, now if you separate into two parts, a positive part or a negative part, eta positive part or negative part jodi ami graph to yat jodi sam, yat x or value khini kor pora start hoise 0 ba tatke dangor. That's why we can write here x is greater than equal to 0. X or value 0 ba 0 ke dangor, because here 1 2 3. And in this case what we get, the value of x is 0 or less than 0. isn't it? 0 ke horu. So in this case it is less than 0. So now in this case what we get, you see here, if you make the graph here, now you see the left hand side here, left hand part. Jodi ami okol a left hand part to jodi consider karo, in this case the value of x, that means this portion is for which one? This table, is not it? X or a part or graph to kuntu table or hoy, yar karone hoy. So yat jodi ami sao fx or value bu 0 ba 0 ke jodi horu hoy goi thake x or value bilak, to fx or value to hodai ki hoy, bahi goi ase. Here in this case x or value kini ki hoise 0 ba 0 ke komi goi ase, kintu fx or value to ki hoy, bahi goi ase. So a part to graph to a2 hoy aru a right hand side or positive part of graph to a2 hoy. So now here if we separate into two parts, suppose one part is from here to here and another part is from here to here, if we consider two parts, now in this part when the value of x is less than here 0, -1, -2, -3, x or value yat ki hoise -1, -2, -3, is not it? Yat x or value jimane komi goise fx or value to ki hoise, bari goise. So at this place the value of x is what? 0, and at this place if you see here, at this place the value of x is what? -3. So from here if you see, if you denote these 2 points, suppose a point gita jodi ami naam eta dilo, suppose it is x1 or it is x2, যেহেতু 0 আৰু -3 আছে বুজি পাবৰ কাৰণে ইজি হ'বৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিলো, এই যেহেতু এটো x axisতে আছে কিন্তু আমি এই পয়েন্ট গিটাৰ নাম গিটা দিলো, this one is x1 and this one is x2, suppose we consider x1, this one is we consider suppose x2. Now in this case if you see here which one is greater, yet kuntu dangor, x1, x2, which one is greater here? Obviously this one, 0 is greater than -3. So in this case what we can write, in this case for this part, see carefully, in this case what we can write, x1 is greater than x2 because the value of x1 is what? 0 and the value of x2 is what? -3. So 0 is greater than -3, so that's why we write here x1 is greater than x2. This gives us, now at the same place if you see the value here f of x1, if you see here fx equal to x squared, a function given, so when in place of x we write x1, x1 means if we write here f of x1 then this one we have to write x1 square, is not it? So now here if x1 value is 0, if x1 value is 0, so f of x1 equal to what? We write here 0, is not it? Similarly if x2 value, you see here x2 value is what? -3, so if it is f of x2 then it is x2 square. So if you put x2 equal to -3, so here we have to write -3 whole square, is not it? So if we write here f of x2 then we have to write here x2 whole square, and x2 means here -3, so that's why we have to write -3 whole square, is not it? If -3 whole square we write here, if we write -3 whole square, then what is the value? This value is, if we write f of x2 equal to -3, then it is this one we get -3 whole square, and if it is -3 whole square that means the value is what? 9. So in this case which one is greater? f of x1 or jagat 0 put koilo to 0 hol, jita kintu f of x2 jagat -3 whole square put koilo to 9 hoy gol, yat kuntu dangor hoy gol, obviously f of x2 is greater than f of x1, is not it? So this gives us f of x2 is greater than f of x1. বুঝি পালা নে? বুঝি পালা নে এটো? So now here what we get here, আমি যেতিয়া left hand side part to চালো, ইয়াত যেতিয়া x1 আৰু x2 বুলি assume কৰি পেলাই পয়েন্ট গিটা পুট কৰি চালো, তাত কিন্তু ভ্যালু টো উল্টা হৈ গল, কন্ডিশন টো পালো x1 is greater than x2, কিন্তু তাৰ পৰা যেটো f of x ৰ ভ্যালু পালো তাত আকৌ আমি ৰিজাল্ট টো উল্টা পাই গলো। ইয়াক যদি আমি মিলাই পেলাই লিখিবলৈ চাও x1 greater than x2, তো ইয়াত f of x1 ৰ ভ্যালু টো কাটকে হৰো f of x2 কে ভ্যালু হৰো। For which part? For this part. Is it clear? So now from here we get one condition actually. Iman khini je ami kori asu yar pa ami eta condition ta pam. Hol aru he condition to ki hoy ami olop pisat gam pam. Is it clear? So x1 is greater than x2 and here f of x1 is less than f of x2. If we include this 0, আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি স্টার্ট করো এক্স্যাক্টলি ফ্রম 0, এক্স্যাক্টলি যদি আমি 0 এর পৰা স্টার্ট করো টিটালে রিজাল্ট আমি এটো পাম. Is it clear? Okay, now if we assume the second part here, এতিয়া যদি আমি second part to le jam, the right hand side part. Now let's see, in this case, if you take the right hand side part here, this point is 1. If we consider x1 and now here in this case the third point, this point is what? x2 equals to, in this case 3 on the right hand side. এবাৰ আমি এটো কারণে কৰিছো x এর ভ্যালু 0, x এর ভ্যালু 3, তো সেই দুটাকে আমি x1 x2 বুলি মেনশন কৰি ললো, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 3. Is it clear? So now in this case if f of x1, so here if we write f of x1, so f of x1 value is what? 0. Is not it? But in case of f of x2, what is the value of f of x2? When it is x square, f of x2, x2 whole square. So x2 means what? 3, that means 3 square. If 3 square, then it is 9. So in this case you see here, here ami ki bolu, x1 and x2, in between these two which one is greater? So if we write here this one, in between these two, x1 and x2, which one is greater? So obviously x2 greater, so that's why we have to write x1 less than x2. The greater one is x2, so that's why we write x1 less than x2. And from this one what we get, x1 to jodi x2 ke jodi horu hoy titihole tar pora ami ki result paisu, in between f of x1 and f of x2 which one is greater? So obviously f of x2. So in this case we get here f of x1 is less than f of x2. So is there any difference between first and second we get here? Obviously we get. So in the earlier case what we get, if jeta ami loisilu x equal to this one is -3, x equal to -3 asile, yat kontu dangor asile? x1 dangor asile. So x1 is greater than x2 asile, kintu yar pora ami ki paisilu? f of x1 less than f of x2. Because whole square koi dia matroke etu 9 hoy goisile, 9 to 0 ke dangor, so that's why f of x2 greater paisilo. So when x1 is greater than x2, in this case when x1 is greater than x2, then we get f of x1 less than f of x2 we get. But in this case you see etu side as well, x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2. Is it clear? So now what we write these two, actually from here the meaning we get now here. So mainly we discuss about the increasing and decreasing functions. So now when we draw a graph or make a graph here like in this way, a condition bilak to lagiboy tar agote graph to sai lo ebar. So in this case if you see the graph, always we have to take the graph from the left hand side. Ami graph to hoday kontu side er pora consider kore? From the left hand side. So if you separate here, you see the interval, the difference point is 0 to a graph to duta part separate korise yan. Hoto ketiaba beleg point to hobo pare, kintu mainly yat ami 0 te ami duta part loisu. So in this case, in this part a part tot, if you see the graph from the left hand side or jodi tumi jodi graph to soa, the graph decreasing, continuously decreasing. Graph to left hand side or jodi ami sam up to 0 leke, yat graph to ki hoise? Continuously nami goi ase. Hol aru jodi right hand side sam from 0 to here, graph to ki hoise? Continuously increasing here, graph to upor le goi ase. Hol, so from here simply we can say when we get a graph like in this way, continuously jodi graph to jodi down hoy goi thake, then this type of graph is known as decreasing, and this type of function is, we can say, decreasing function jodi graph to jodi continuously nami goi thake. Is it clear? Similarly, the same graph, if we get a graph like in this way, ইয়াৰ পৰা start হৈছে ওপৰলৈ গৈ আছে বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে ক'ৰ পৰা start হৈছিলে ইয়াৰ পৰা start হৈছিলে ইয়াৰ পৰা start হৈ পেলাই গ্ৰাফটো বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে সদায় আমি গ্ৰাফটো সদায় লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডৰ পৰা কনসিডাৰ কৰিম ৰিমেম্বাৰ ফ্ৰম দ্য লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড গ্ৰাফটো যেতিয়া বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব ওপৰলৈ then it is known as increasing function. Is it clear? So very simple here. At an example ta saw it here graph eta saw. Now suppose if we consider an example here. Example to jodi lo it is suppose toma graph eta dille in this way given. One graph given to you like in this way. Or yak difference kora point to suppose it. Starting here, ending here. Suppose. Now this one is the point. So if anyone asks you, in this part, the graph is increasing or decreasing? In this part, the graph is increasing or decreasing. If anyone asks you, then what you have to say? If always you have to check out the left hand side point. So this one is the point, and from here the graph what? From this side the graph what? Increase. So that's why this part is what? Increasing. And if anyone asks you, in this side the graph is what? So in this case we have to take the left hand side point. So that means the left hand side point is this one, and from here the graph is what? And in this case the graph is decrease here. Nami aise decrease, bahi goise increase. Is it clear? So that's why a simple graph, আমি যদি এটা গ্রাফ এটা চাওঁ ইয়াত যদি আমি পয়েন্টটো যদি ইয়াত যদি সেপারেটিং পয়েন্টটো যদি ইয়াত হয় তেতিয়ালে এই গ্রাফটো দুটা পার্ট থাকে ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ ইনক্রিজ দেন ডিক্রিজ গ্রাফটো কেতিয়াও আমি এটো সাইডৰ পৰা কাউন্ট নকৰো অলৱেজ we count from the left hand side. So here this one is increase and then this one is decrease. Is it clear? I think all of you understood now what is increasing function and decreasing function. Is it clear? Okay, now next one is we discuss here the graphical representation. So in case of graphical representation, actually what we get, let's see here, if you see the first diagram, suppose here this one is x, here this one is xy, origin here at this place, and this one is y this axis. Now in this case, if any graph given to us here like in this way, suppose one graph given here, the graph is given like in this way, graph eta dia ase and the graph in this way given. So always we have to check out the graph from the left hand side. So starting point is here and ending point is here. Suppose and the graph eta dia ase, the graph is this one suppose. Now in this case, if you see from the left hand side, if you see that from the left hand side the graph continuously increase here, increase or not? So that's why this type of graph here, no break point or not equal in any place. So that's why this type of graph is known as not only increasing function, it is known as strictly increasing function, because in each and every place the graph increasing. Yat graph to প্ৰতিটো জায়গাতে কি হৈছে বাঢ়ি বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে. Clear? So that's why this type of graph is known as strictly increasing function. So strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function. Is it clear? So now let's see here when we get increasing function. So in case of increasing function, if you see the diagram here, suppose this one. Now here it is x, this one is y, here it is x dash, this one is y dash. Oh. Now in this case, if you see the graph, suppose the graph we get like in this. Now starting here and ending here. In this place, the graph ending here. So in this case, what you get, let's see here. No doubt when we measure the graph or when we look at the graph here, graph term is jetia sum, always we have to check out from the left hand side. So now in this place, if you find out from here up to this place, if you mention some name here, A, B, C and D. From A to B, the graph continuously increase or not? But from B to C, the graph not increasing here. Graph to yet increase hoise niki? Nai hoa. Suppose in this place, if you take the value of x is 2, then fx, whatever the fx value we get, if in this place, if x equal to 6, then the fx value is same because the graph straight here, is not it? So from A to B, the graph increasing, but from B to C, the graph not increasing, parallel to this x-axis. And from after that, from C, the graph again increasing. So here A পৰা B লৈকে increase হৈছিলে, B পৰা C লৈকে increase হোৱা নাই কিন্তু equal আছে. তাৰ পিছত আকৌ C পৰা D লৈকে কি হ'ল গ্ৰাফটো increase হৈ গ'ল. So this type of graph if you get here. So now in this case continuously increase. ইয়াত কি হৈছিলে তোমাৰ continuously increase হৈছিলে. So that's why we mention as an strictly increasing. But here the graph not continuously increase. At some places it is equal also. So that's why this type of graph is known as simply increasing function. Increasing function. Is it clear? So this one is the difference between strictly increasing and increasing. Strictly increasing mane continuously increase hoy goye thaibo bahi goye thaibo aru increasing mane ki hoy eta stage at bahi ako equal hoy jabo tapsat ako baribo. Is it clear? This one is the difference between increasing and strictly increasing. So here one more question arises here. Jodi graph to jodi A পৰা B le gol, B পৰা C equal hol, C পৰা jodi ekon ami ahe, tete ki hobo? Tete ami etu increasing come ne decreasing come. So in this case we separate the graph into 3 parts. Like A পৰা B, B পৰা C, C পৰা jodi D le ami ahe. যদি আমি এটা সেপারেট কৰি দিওঁ A পৰা B লৈকে কি হয় ইনক্রিজ হয়, B পৰা C লৈকে কি হয় এটাটো ইকুয়াল হৈ গ'ল, C পৰা যদি আকৌ D লে নামি আহে তে ইয়াত যদি সেপারেশন কৰিব পৰা অপচন আছে তেতিয়ালে আমি C পৰা D লৈকে তাত ডিক্রিজিং বুলি কম। আৰু যদি একেটা গ্ৰাফতে তেনেকে দিয়া আছে কোনো মেনশন কৰা নাই পইন্টৰ, দেন ইট ইজ নাইদাৰ ইনক্রিজিং nor decreasing because increase আৰু decrease একেলগে থাকিব নোৱাৰে। So in this case what we can say neither increasing nor decreasing. Is it clear? So later on we discuss this too, mainly here strictly increasing and increasing. I think all of you understood this one now here. Okay, now the next one is you see here, suppose again we consider a graph here. Suppose the graph is this one x, here it is y, and this one is x dash and this one is y dash origin. So in this case suppose the graph we get like in this. So obviously we know what you have to say here. So if starting point is here, always you have to measure from the left hand side and the graph continuously what decrease here, graph to here nami nami ahi ase. So graph to jodi eneke thake titiale ei function to ki boli koha, what type of function this one is? So it is known as a not decreasing function, it is strictly decreasing function because there is no break point or kono place ot etu equal hoa nai, to he karone yak ki boli kom strictly decreasing function. So it is known as strictly decreasing. So it is known as strictly decreasing. So if we consider another graph here, suppose this one. So here x, this one is y, and here it is x dash and this one is y dash if we consider 0. So in this case if you see the graph, now in this case you see, so if you denote some name here A, B, C and D. Now in this case you see from A to B decrease and B to C equal and again C to D decrease. So in this case this type of graph we can say here decreasing function. So this one is known as decreasing function. So continuously decrease, so that's why it is known as strictly decreasing, and decrease, equal decrease, then it is known as simply decreasing function. Is it clear? So we get 4 terms here: increasing, strictly increasing, decreasing, strictly decreasing. Is it clear? Okay, now the next one is here, you see the last one. If the graph given like in this, suppose, now in this case, how do you can see? In this case, what we can say? So if you separate the part here, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, both conditions are given, and there is no breakpoint given also here. So in this case, we can't say whether increasing or decreasing. Can we say here? Because if you measure from here to here, it is decrease, and from here to here, increase. Again, decrease, increase, decrease. Isn't not it? Increasing, decreasing, both conditions are here. So that's why we can't say anything here. So that's why for that reason here, what you have to say, this graph is neither increasing nor decreasing. So if this type of graph we get, then we can say neither increasing nor decreasing function. Is it clear? So mainly here, these 5 points are, 5 graphs are mainly important here. And in our next class, we discuss about their mathematical representation. Here graphical representation we discuss, and in our next class mathematical representation we have to discuss. And with this we discuss the interval, how can we find out the interval also. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.